nasty.
Oh, my.
I don't know, Tommy. It makes me sound funny. You sound the same to me.
Chucky, I wanna... What's that funny thing on your nose?
It's
So is Boogie Stay Fresh. I don't think it's working. Why are you wearing glasses over your glasses? And how'd your nose get so hairy?
Well, you see...
Now you look like you, Chucky.
I gotta go tie my shoe. Over there.
So, Chucky... I asked for a popsicle, not a slot-sickle.
Sorry, I got to go potty.
For you, Chucky. I picked it myself.
Wow, Kimmy, it's